Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Neighbors. It's I, Jerry, and today I'm making Hawaiian Island Burger. Yes. I got inspired from this. There's a restaurant in Hawaii. I have never been. I've never been to Hawaii, never been to the restaurant, called Island Burger. I have 80-20 ground beef, okay? And here I have a bit of garlic powder, salt and pepper. Okay, I'm just going to put that in there.
Oh, wow, yeah.
This
Hold on, let me get a shot of that.
Is Daddy Jack's blackened seasoning. Given to me by Daddy Jack himself. My good friend. I love him very much. Great man. He has a Patreon account. You know, he's in the restaurant industry. He's home right now and stuff, as you all may know, with what's happening with the hospitality industry with the COVID and everything. I'm putting that in there. So I'm just keeping the burger simple. Just work that through a little bit. I'll get these on and then I'll tell you about the sauce. I cheated on the sauce. Now below in the recipe box I will put a recipe that I use to make teriyaki sauce. But I picked up this and I'll tell you what I did to it. Okay? So I picked up some teriyaki sauce. Or I had it already actually. I put it in a pot. I brought the pot to a simmer. I simmered it for a bit to reduce it down a little. And then I brought it to a boil. And I added a cornstarch slurry, which was 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of water, mixed it up, threw it in, thickened up the sauce a little bit, and then I put it aside to cool off, okay? And I also grilled up some pineapples in my grill pan. And we'll cut to, okay. And because I don't want the pineapples to be piping hot when I put them on the burger, because you burn your mouth off. And then there's certain other toppings that they put on this burger, and we'll get to that when we're building our burger. And we'll be back in a few minutes.
You want burgers? No?
I'm going to put what is common for on these burgers is Swiss cheese. While we toast their bun.
The pretzel bun at the top. Gold bun.
Yeah. So what's typical? Probably a Hawaiian bun. It's probably
Is that a thing?
Yeah. Let me show that. Look what my hubby bought me for Christmas.
Cool.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Hope this inspires you to try something different on your burger. Like, share, subscribe. Have a great night. Love you all. God bless. Take care of each other. Bye.